Welcome back to Seyyah Ressam, where we journey through the latest tech innovations with a critical eye. Today, we'll unbox a gadget that promises to change the way you interact with your home. ASUS is kicking off 2025 strong with the arrival of the TUF gaming F16 FX608JHRRV037W. One of the very first laptops to feature NVIDIA new RTX 5050 GPU. Priced at around $1,500 USD, this gaming laptop combines cutting-edge graphics with a high-performance Intel CPU, making it a compelling option for gamers and creators alike. Unboxing and first impressions. Out of the box, the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 comes with a 280W power adapter, which, along with the power cable, weighs about 800 grams. The laptop itself tips the scales at 2.2 kilograms, bringing the total travel weight to around 3 kilograms, not counting additional accessories. Fortunately, the machine also supports 100W USB-C power delivery charging, letting you use compact GAN chargers for lighter workloads. Rugged and refined TUF design. The F16 carries forward the rugged, minimalist aesthetic that TUF fans will recognize. The lid is made from aluminum, offering a premium and sturdy feel, while the keyboard deck C side and bottom D side are plastic, adequate in rigidity. Even if they don't match the luxury of ASUS ROG series, there is a slight flex when typing forcefully, but nothing noticeable in daily use. Port selection is generous. The right side includes two USB-A 10 gigabits per second ports. The left houses another USB-A 10 gigabits per second, a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB-C 10 gigabits per second, and a Thunderbolt 4 port with speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. ASUS thoughtfully labels these ports to prevent confusion. They're also HDMI 2.1, RJ45 Ethernet, and a proprietary charging port, fulfilling all connectivity needs for gaming or productivity. Keyboard and touchpad solid but not perfect. The F16 sports a full-sized keyboard with a number pad. The key travel is deep, but the feedback feels slightly heavy. Transparent WASD keys help them stand out for gamers. ASUS has included dedicated keys for volume, media controls, and Armoury Crate shortcuts along the top. The keyboard has RGB backlighting, though it's single zone, meaning it can only display one color at a time. The touchpad is large and accurate but has a glossy surface that may feel a bit slippery, less ideal for precise gestures. That said, most gamers will likely use an external mouse, so this isn't a deal breaker. A subtle improvement from previous models is the reduced fingerprint smudging on the palm rest. Great news for those with sweaty hands during long gaming sessions. Display smooth, vivid, and creator-ready. The laptop boasts a 16-inch Full HD 1920 by 1200 display, with a 16:10 aspect ratio and 165Hz refresh rate. This ensures smooth visuals, especially in fast-paced games. Better yet, it covers 100% sRGB, making it suitable for content creation tasks like photo editing or video work at a non-professional level. In side-by-side comparisons with color-accurate screens like those on the iPhone or MacBook, the F16 holds up surprisingly well. Proof of ASUS commitment to a versatile, high-quality panel. Performance impressive power, with a price. Under the hood, the Intel Core i7-14650HX delivers 16 cores and 24 threads, easily outperforming the Core Ultra 7 155H by 10-15% and the i7-12700H by up to 30%. However, this performance comes at the cost of power consumption. The CPU can draw up to 126W, which leads to significant heat during stress tests. The all-new RTX 5050 GPU 115W performs on par with the RTX 4060 running at lower wattages 100W. It falls slightly behind the RTX 4060-140W but clearly beats the RTX 3060 and RTX 4050. A major win is its 8GB of GDDR7 VRAM, offering higher memory bandwidth and potential advantages in certain games. Battery life surprisingly enduring. Despite packing powerful hardware and a 90 watt-hours battery, the TUF gaming F16 manages 5.5 hours of 4K YouTube playback and about 4 to 4.5 hours of general productivity use when tuned for energy efficiency. This is achievable by switching to integrated graphics and enabling battery saver mode in the Armoury Crate software. Verdict: the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 2025 delivers a well-balanced package at a competitive price. With the debut of RTX 5050, robust performance from the i7 14650HX, a solid display, and surprisingly decent battery life, it's an excellent choice for gamers or hybrid creators seeking a no-compromise machine without crossing into ROG-level pricing.